What's up, everyone, and welcome back. It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna go over price action from earlier today, as well as what to pay attention to going into tomorrow's session. But before we do that, y'all do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's go ahead and dive into it. The SPY held steady today despite shutdown fears, showing mild weaknesses as investors stayed cautious. Hood jumped riding strong momentum in S&P 500 inclusion hype. Tesla was steady, modest upside, catching a bit of the tech tailwind. But the million-dollar question that's on everybody's mind is if no deal is reached and a shutdown hit, what to expect? The SPY could dip and Hood might swing sharply as uncertainty rattles the market. Tesla, being a high-tech name, might get dragged by broader tech weaknesses, and expect increased volatility tomorrow and rotations shifts towards safer sectors. Family, you already know, if you rocking with your boy, I will have these levels updated before the market open up. That way you know what your particular play is trying to do. But what we gonna do now, I'm gonna put out 5 different tickers that you should have on your radar that I think we can benefit from whatever that they try to do, whether they shut us down, they break a deal, or hold tight for a couple more weeks. These 5 tickers can make you money going to the upside as well as to the downside. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts. First ticker up is going to be ticker symbol HOOD. We see they have been booming this thing. They have been running up. We definitely could catch. If they strike a deal, this thing is going to boom. If they don't strike a deal and they pull us back, we see we got plenty of opportunities to catch some puts and make some nice money to the downside. So my key area of interest tomorrow, what I'm going to be looking at is 138.05. We start losing that right there, we're going to start sliding back down. You got 134.65 in play, and they can keep running this thing down to some lower stuff. To the upside, you just need to see them hold these highs before they start going to the next leg up. Next ticker we're going to look at is ticker symbol NVDA. And this one right here, they're sitting at 185.75. If you are a bull and interested in this one, you want to see them open higher than 187.35. If they can do that, they can start pushing higher to the downside, and these knuckleheads in Congress not doing the right thing and coming up with a deal. The key area of interest that I'm going to be paying attention to is going to be this area right here at 178.30. They start losing that one right there. That suggests that they're going to make a bigger move. That would put 175.10 on the table, and then boom, we got 71.10 en routes, and then it started getting ugly after that. You see these big gaps in prices. That means we can catch some speed to the downside, and they can really start getting busy. Don't FOMO these plays right here. Only play what the chart is suggesting, because trust me, 100% whatever they do, the chart is gonna give us that direction. It's gonna tell us what they're trying to do. Next ticker that I want you guys to pay attention to is gonna be ticker symbol SPY. And this one right here, you want to see them get back above this stuff over here, 667.35. They can do that. They're gonna start setting their sights on that 670 area. To the downside, a key area of interest that I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow if we having a downhill day. And again, if these knuckleheads can't figure it out, I'm gonna be looking at this 663.70, and then my next area of interest is gonna be this 661.10. We can start getting to those points down there. That's going to suggest a nice pullback will be on the table. Next ticker that I want you to pay attention to will be ticker symbol TSLA. And this one right here, they're sitting at 442. We played the intraday moves today. You seen what they was trying to do. But for me, I want to see them open somewhere around 450.70. If they can do that right there, they're going to start that slow grind back up to this 459 area. To the downside, first key area of interest, we already know comes in at 439.40. But for the type of event that we got going on right now, the current events, I want to see them get back down to 430.65. They can do that right there. They're going to make that trip all the way back down to 420. And we know it start getting ugly after we start losing that level right there. So next ticker up is going to be the Qs. You can make some money riding the upside in the Qs as well as bringing that thing right back down. Whichever direction that they suggest, whichever direction that they give us, we'll make the money riding that particular wave. And this one, they're sitting at 635. If you are a bull, you need to see them open higher than 602.90. If they can do that right there, that's going to suggest that they're going to try to push this thing to this 605, possibly even higher stuff. A key area of interest for me, if we having that down momentum, I'm going to be looking at these bottoms right here at 596.10. That's one key area. And my next key area is going to be this 589.20 area, because if they start losing that, they're going to drop this thing all the way back down to 584. All right, family, that's a few different areas of interest for you to pay attention to in these particular tickers. That way, if we having some strong pullback, you know key areas of interest on your chart to pay attention to. And that way, you know how to react once you start seeing those areas get taken out or being violated. But family, don't worry. You already know I got your back. Those levels will be popping before the market open up. Tomorrow is a brand new day. It's gonna be interesting. So don't panic. They still got a little bit of time left to be able to strike a deal, agree to terms, and avoid a shutdown. But regardless, shutdown or not, we ain't worried about all that. It's not going to change how we get down. We still going to get busy and dominate whatever they decide to do, because you know your boy Fresh got you. Until then, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.